Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So my hair is wet and you already know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try out a hair product. So excited because I got to try out this Bedhead Curls in Check Diffuser Dryer. So this is the first time, and I don't know about you guys, let me know in the comments down below, but this is the first time that I see a blow dryer that is a diffuser. So it's specifically just to curl your hair. I was looking through Amazon and it just caught my eye so much, and it was actually very inexpensive. It was around $27, and I don't think that's too bad, especially if you curl your hair a lot and if this works, because I've never tried this before. So this is going to be a first impressions. I'm going to be testing it out here with you guys. So it's supposed to tame your frizz, and sometimes I notice that when I diffuse my hair, but specifically when I flip my hair for more volume, it sometimes makes my hair more frizzy and it looks a little bit poofier. And today I'm trying to curl my hair with no frizz and trying to make it look just very shiny and very, like, the curls just very defined, very put together. That is the goal. So no frizz. We're gonna try that today and let's see if this really works and doesn't frizz your hair. Okay, so let's open this up. I actually really like the packaging. I like the box. I know that's super random, but I like the colors. I think they really catch your eye and just look cute together. So let's see what's in the box. This is huge, and I know it looks huge on the picture on the website, but I mean, let's see. Okay, so as you guys can see, it looks very interesting. I mean, it looks like a humongous and just like crazy blow dryer. I'm very excited about this. So this has high, warm, cool. So it has 3 different heats, and then it has high and low. So it has 2 different speeds. I guess you just attach it like this. It's pretty cool. You can take this off so you can kind of clean it and take off all the hair that might get stuck in there. As you guys know, I am really liking the NOUGHTY hair care products right now. So these products are so good for curling your hair, especially the Wave Hello one. And I used this before. I am gonna link a video down below. I use this actually already, and I use my regular blow dryer. So I use my diffuser, the one that I always use, and the curls came out really nice, and I really like these products. So I already know that this is a good product, so I'm gonna try this with this new diffuser because I already trust this product, if you know what I'm saying. So my hair is wet, and I'm just gonna add a good amount of the Wave Hello cream to curl my hair. So I'm just spreading that all over my hair because I really want to make sure that I have good product in there that's gonna help define my curls even more. Okay, so I scrunch my curls a little bit, and then what I like to do is that I like to take section by section and just kind of curl it. I feel like that really helps the curls just be more put together and less frizzy too. Okay, so I guess we're gonna try this out. I'm very excited. I guess I'm just going to start with the speed high and then the heat on high too, and then I'm gonna put it on cool to set the curls. So let's just start with high and high. Okay. Very powerful. Very hot. So let's try this. Okay, so here's what my hair looks like so far. It is a little bit frizzy in some parts. It's not bad, and I still feel like I can blow dry it a little bit more. I do want to flip my hair though, because I always flip my hair and I need some volume up here. I feel like I need to fix this part right here. I don't know, I'm just gonna go for it. Here's what it looks like without flipping my hair. Here's what it looks like. So I'm gonna just flip it and work this part a little bit, and kind of like add a little bit more volume up there, and I'll show you guys how it's gonna look after that. Okay, so I flipped my hair just to give this part a little bit more of volume, but here's what my hair looks like. I know that I will be using this again, and I probably won't ever touch my blow dryer ever again, because I'm going to use this to curl my hair, and then I'm going to use my Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer to blow out my hair. So why am I going to need my blow dryer anymore? I just thought about that. I'm like never ever going to use that again, because this, I feel like it does curl your hair a little bit nicer, and it's just all in one. I did really like this. I think it's worth it if you curl your hair a lot. If you don't, then this might just be sitting in your room, in your bathroom or whatever for a while, because if you don't curl your hair, this is the only thing that you can really use this for, to curl your hair. So if you curl your hair a lot, then you're gonna like it. If you don't curl your hair a lot, I don't really recommend it, because this is the only thing that you can really do with this. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think it looks less frizzier than before? I do like how this looks just very natural, like out of the shower, kind of like chill curls, you know, not too much volume. But just for the video, I'm gonna diffuse my hair for about maybe like 5 more minutes, and let's see if it gets any poofier or any bigger. Let's see. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after diffusing it for about 5 more minutes. So I diffused my hair for about 15 minutes in total, and this is what it looks like. I actually do like how my hair looks. I think it looks very nice. It doesn't look that poofy. Sometimes it can get very poofy and big, but I do like how the curls are very defined. I do feel like this side of my hair curls a lot more than this side. That's just something that has to do with my hair and not with the diffuser, but I just wanted to point that out. So guys, either way, I'm going to link this down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. It was around $27, and I don't think it's bad at all if you curl your hair all the time. If you don't curl your hair all the time, this is not worth purchasing, because it's just gonna sit around and you're not gonna use it, because you can't use it for anything else. You can't use it to blow out your hair. So that's what I'm saying. If you curl your hair a lot, I totally recommend it. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.